Okay.
There's Jake.
Oh yeah. That big giant as well.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's going on this morning? What's going on this morning?
It was a busy morning. We did 3 peels to all different downwind sails, but we lost a bit of distance on Arkea. So we're in 3rd position now, not what we hoped for. But we worked hard, we pushed hard, and it can happen like this. And it's another 2 hours to Portugal. And we expect the wind to decrease, so maybe we can gain a bit of, maybe we can still gain a bit on Arkea. Let's see.
So we made it to Portugal.
We've made it to Portugal. Significant improvements from leg 1 for us, and some more improvements to be made. So this is only halfway on the leg. We've got to go now all the way around into the Mediterranean to finish in Cartagena. So yeah, some points on the scoreboard for us, which is good. But another 3-4 days of racing left to go on this leg.
Também à altura de despedir também.
We were too slow.
Or too fast, maybe.
They were too fast.
You made it, you made it.
Oh, 2 minutes! 2 minutes!
2 minutes is better than 1 minute.
We made it to Portugal.
Yes.
What is the taste of the 3rd place?
It's not so bad, but we lost 1 place the last night, so it's not good to finish losing 1 place. Otherwise, we did what we can do with the speed we have, and I think we can be happy what we did. So keep going on the next semi-leg. We will overtake Biotherm in
Gibraltar.
Yeah. So
I'm not sure they have a MH0. I'm sure Patrick has the MH0.
Yeah.
I will give the picture.
Ready?
yes, always ready. We were ready
We
this
never
morning.
stopped.
How many burgers did you get?
1 only, 2. And many, what is the...
Pasta da nata.
Pasta da nata, very good. Too much.
Yeah, we're going to be too full now.
Holcim que a qualquer momento vão descer.
Quick job before leaving.
Quick. But this will save us a lot of time tonight.
What are you planning to do tonight? Some sailing?
Yeah, some sailing, a bit of cruising. It's gonna be good.